Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that
My name's Michaela and I'm the founder of Fix Me. So how did Fix Me start? Well, to be honest, the roots stemmed from a conversation with myself. You know, I thought to myself, well, whilst there is a wide range of products within the Afro-Caribbean cosmetic markets, there's still quite difficult to find a formula which isn't too oily, yet still effective enough to promote thick and healthy hair. Then I thought, well, Michaela, why are you waiting for a company to manufacture this for you? Why don't you get up off your backside and do it yourself? So I did. Fix Me Daily Hair Moisturiser is the answer that a lot of people have been looking for quite a long time. It is the fix for damaged hair in result of manipulation or a lack of nourishment. It is the ultimate hair food, and you know, the formula is so unique. If you're looking for a moisturiser that's not going to cause build-up, strengthens your hair, soothes an itchy scalp, then Fix Me Daily Hair Moisturiser is definitely for you. If your hair is fine or grows at a slow pace, then Fix Me Daily Hair Moisturiser is 100% for you. Why not see for yourself? Don't procrastinate. Treat your hair. Visit www.fixmehair.co.uk. See you there.
Swear to God that I loved her. Sorry that